Here is the question related to group data, in which we learn to calculate arithmetic mean through three different methods: direct method, indirect or shortcut method, and step deviation or coding method. Group data is given in the form of classes 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and so on, and in front of each class there is a frequency associated with the class. So first important thing to remember the formulas of arithmetic mean group data related to three different methods. For example, in direct method, arithmetic mean is equals to sum of fx divided by sum of f, whereas in indirect or shortcut method, arithmetic mean is equals to a plus sum of fd divided by sum of f, and in step deviation or coding method, arithmetic mean is equals to a plus sum of fu divided by sum of f multiplied by h. So first of all, we will calculate arithmetic mean through direct method, in which it is equals to sum of fx divided by sum of f. So what is x? X is simply class mark, and how can we obtain class mark? Simply we add up lower class boundary and upper class boundary, or lower class limit to upper class limit, and divide the result by 2. The product is x. For example, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 divided by 2 is equals to 15. 30 plus 20 is equals to 50. 50 divided by 2 is equals to 25. 40 plus 30 is equals to 70. 70 divided by 2 is equals to 35, and so on. So after obtaining x, the next step is to calculate the product of f and x. So 15 multiplied by 2, 30, 25 multiplied by 3, 75, 35 multiplied by 5, 175, and so on. And after summing all the values of fx, the result is 1840, and sum of f is equals to 36. So after dividing these two, answer is 51.11. So that is the average, that is average of arithmetic mean through first method, and method is direct method. So in second method, which is indirect or shortcut method, arithmetic mean is equals to a plus sum of fd divided by sum of f. In ungrouped data, we already discussed about a, that a is your desired value out of x values. So here I selected 75 as a. And what is d? D is equals to x minus a. So a is 75, so I replaced 75 with a, or I substituted the value of a here, plus sum of fd. First of all, in first step we obtained d, and after obtaining the d, we will multiply this d with respective f. So d is equals to x minus a. So x is, first x value is 15. 15 minus 75 is equals to minus 60. Second value of x is 25. 25 minus 75 is equals to minus 50. 35 minus 75 is equals to minus 40, and so on. And after obtaining the values of d, we just simply multiply these d value with f values. So minus 60 multiplied by 2 is equals to minus 120. Minus 50 multiplied by 3 is equals to minus 150. Minus 40 multiplied by 5 is equals to minus 200, and so on. And after summing all the values, the result is minus 860. So after putting all the values in the formula, a is equal to 75, sum of fd is equals to minus 860, and sum of f is equals to 36. So after putting the values and calculating the equation, the result is 51.11. In third method, that which is step deviation or coding method, formula is a plus sum of fu divided by sum of f multiplied by h. We already discussed about A. Sum of F is 36. What is H? H is simply the difference between X values. So what is the difference? 15, 25, 35, 45. The difference is 10. So H is 10. Now what is U? U is equals to X minus A divided by H in group data. Or we can say that U is equals to D divided by H, because D is equals to X minus A. So we just put D instead of X minus A. So U is equals to D divided by H. So D is minus 60. And what is H? H is the difference of X values, that is 10. So minus 60 divided by 10 is equals to minus 6. Minus 50 divided by 10 is equals to minus 5. Minus 40 divided by 10 is equals to minus 4, and so on. After obtaining the values of U, we just simply multiply U values with F values. So minus 6 multiplied by 2, minus 12, minus 5 multiplied by 3, minus 15, minus 4 multiplied by 5 is equals to minus 20, and so on. And after summing all the values, sum of FU is equals to minus 86. A is equals to 75, H is equals to 10, and sum of F is equals to 36. So after putting all the values in the formula, A 75 plus sum of FU is equals to minus 86, sum of F is equals to 36, and H is 10. So after calculation of this equation, the result is 51.11. So here are three different methods to calculate arithmetic mean of group data. In previous question, we calculated arithmetic mean through these three methods, but related to ungrouped data. But here in this question, we calculated arithmetic mean related to group data, and average is 51.11.